Hello everyone, welcome back to SN Study Station. So today we are going to solve this third part. First, second are already done. We have created the CPM network. We have found out the critical path and project completion time. Now the third thing which we are going to solve with the same question. The same question I have taken here for finding the total floats and free floats. This also used to come in examinations. So let's see how to find it out. That also is based on the network only. So whatever question you will solve for the critical path, first you have to create the network, then only you will be able to solve the things further. Then based on network you will create the path. For path you have to find out the latest completion time and earliest start time. So these you will find out, and based on this now you will find out the total float and free float. So let us start that. So here that CPM network which I have created, that same I have taken here, and then based on this we'll find out the total and free floats. So total and free floats is just formula based. That is very easy. So you just see the formula here. For total float we have first we'll find out the total float. For total float we have the formula LCJ minus ESI minus DIJ. As latest completion time of ending node minus earliest start time of I means starting node minus D is duration. Okay, so whatever activity we will take, first we have to take the latest completion of ending node minus earliest start of ES of starting node and minus duration. Like this we'll find out the total float. So first here I have created a table with the activity. For all the activities you have to find out the duration. So we have activities from A to N, and then duration also I'll write it here from the question itself. So duration also we have 2, 5, 4, 5 for the activity 7. Then like this we have, so 4, 3, 12, and an activity we have 8 duration. Duration is given in months. So this I have written. Now total float. For A activity, we'll start with the first activity. A activity you have to see the starting and ending node and just apply the formula. That is very easy. So for A activity, LC of end node, ES of starting node minus duration. For A activity we have 1 to 2. So LC of end node. LC of end node, that is 2, and starting node ES of the starting node, that is 0. 8 minus 0 minus duration. So duration of the activity is 2. So here we will get 6, correct? Fine. Now B also I'll explain same like this. For B activity it is from 1 to 3, node 1 to 3. So node 3 LC 5 and node 1 ES 0. 5 minus 0 minus duration of B activity is 5. So here we will get 0. Okay, like this we'll find out for each and every activity. For C activity also you see C activity LC of ending minus ES of starting. So 10 minus 0 minus duration is 4. So here we will get 6. For D activity you check. D activity where is that? Okay, D activity from 3 to 4 it is coming. Arrows also you have to see, because based on arrows only you have to find out this because LC and ES you have to take from starting and ending activity. That arrows you need to check it properly. Okay, because see, for D activity you can come from 3 to 4 also, or you can it can go from 4 to 3 also. So based on that LC and ES will change, right? So starting and ending node we should know. So for D activity, starting node is 3, ending node is 4. So ending latest time, anyways that is where and all it is same, there is no confusion, but where and all it is different, you need to check the formula properly. So from 3 to 4 D activity, LC of ending, that is 10, and ES of the starting, that is 5. 10 minus 5 minus duration is 5. 10 minus 5 minus 5, that here also we will get 0. Okay, so like this you have to find out for each and every activity. So I hope you can find it now. That is easy. So easily you can find it out. Okay, so let's check the n last activity n. We'll check with n. So for n activity, from 8 to 9 we are coming, correct? So from 8 to 9 we are coming. 9 is ending node. Ending node LC is 28 and starting node this 8, 20. 28 minus 20 and duration is 8. 28 minus 20 minus 8 will get 0 for the n activity. Or else if you want to check this j activity, because here we have different this na. So for j activity it is coming from 5 to 8. So ending node LC 20. For j activity I am telling. Ending node LC 20 and starting node ES is 9. 20 minus 9 and duration is 5. 20 minus 9 minus 5. So for n activity you will get 6. For j activity you will get 6. Correct. For j we are getting 6 here. So this is how we can solve, how you can find out total float. Now coming towards free float. For free float the formula is ES of ending activity minus ES of starting activity minus duration. So that is simple. Both the ways we have to take from starting and ending activity we have to take ES only. Okay. So for free float, let's see activity A. So for A activity we have to take ES of starting and ending, subtract and then subtract the duration. So for A activity ES of starting is 2, ES of ending is 0 and duration is 2. So 2 minus 0 minus 2 equals, we'll get 0 here. For B activity if you check, so for B activity here we have ES 5, ES 0, 5 minus 0 and duration is 5, so minus 5. So we will get here 0 again. Okay. For C activity, if you check, ES is for C activities it is coming from 1 to 4. 4 is ending node, 1 is a starting node. So 4 ES 10, 1 ES 0. 10 minus 0 and duration here is 4. So we will get here 6. Correct. For D activity if you check, 3 to 4 it is coming, D activity. So 3, 5, 3 to 4. Okay. Ending minus a starting ES. Ending ES. 4 ES 10, 3 ES 5. 10 minus 5 and duration is also 5. So we will get here 0. So similarly for E activity we will get 0. F we will get 11. I we will get 8. J we will get 0. H we will get 0. Okay. I, let's check I activity. So for I activity ES is 12 and here ES is 10. 12 minus 10. For I activity ES 12 minus 10 and then duration we have here as 2. So here we will get 0. Okay. Similarly J 6, fine. K 0. L we will get 9. M activity if we check, so M activity it is going from 7 to 8. So for M activity ES 28 minus AS 12. 28 minus 12 minus duration is also 12. So we will get 4 here, right? And for last N activity we will get 0. So like this you can find out the total as well as free floats with the help of formula. So that is easy. Okay. Once you have created the network and found out the critical path and found out this LC and ES, it will be very easy to find out the total and free floats. Just apply the formula. Okay. Here one interesting thing I will tell you. So here critical path, you know how to find it out. We have 3 conditions. After creating the network and finding the LC and ES, we have 3 conditions. Based on that we can find out the critical path. Okay. And in this also that in the previous video I have explained how to find out the critical path. If you have not checked it, that you can check. You can watch the video. You will get to know. So here based on total and free floats also there is a process to find out the critical path. Okay. So here if you check, what you have to see, where and all total float as well as free float is 0. Both are 0. So that path will become the critical path. For A activity, total float is 6. No, this is not the critical path. For B activity, total float 0, free float 0. So yes, this is the critical path. For C activity, no, 6, 6. D activity, both are 0. Okay. E activity 60, F 11, G 8, H both are 0. I, J, K both are 0. L, M, N both are 0. So we got B, D, H, K, N. B, D, H, K, N. And if you see the activity, critical path, that green line you see, from 1 to 3, critical path is starting from 1 and ending at 9. So from 1 to 3, activity B, correct. From 3 to 4, then it is coming activity D. From 4 to 6, activity H. From 6 to 8, activity K. And from 8 to 9, activity N. So with the help of total and free floats also, you can find out the critical path. Where and all, both total as well as free float is 0, that will give the critical path. So I hope it is clear. Based on network, first thing is always network, because without network we cannot find out the critical path as well as we cannot find the total and free floats, right? So network you should know how to create it. That is very easy process. Then for critical path we have 3 conditions. Based on that we can find out, and then based on this total and free floats also I told you how to find out the critical path. For total float and free float we have the formula which you can apply and find out. So thank you.